Greetings from the Automate show in Detroit. We're here at the Schneider Electric booth with Christine Bush. Welcome.
Thank you.
Well, we're talking about robots in manufacturing, and Christine took the leadership role for the Robotics Center of Excellence. Maybe, Christine, explain to the audience, what exactly is it?
So the Robotics Center of Excellence is a group inside the U.S. that focuses on customers and their applications. But we're one small piece of a puzzle for Schneider Electric when it comes to high performance motion and robotics. We have a large organization across the U.S. and more importantly in Marteidenfeld, Germany with our Flex Center, where we focus on additional R&D efforts when it comes to motion and robotics. But for the U.S., we're really focused on verticals such as food and bev, primary, secondary packaging, warehouse and logistics, and other segments.
And where do you see this industry, this robotics industry going? That's from your, what you said.
I really see high performance motion and the robotics industry taking a lead where we have a deficit with people. We know today every company is having problems finding skilled labor, and specifically in the manufacturing area, we will be able to extend production with robotics and high performance motion, and more importantly to meet the rates that they have today, but extend that so that they're growing year over year over year with performance with motion and robotics.
Thank you for those insights. Now, with robotics rapidly evolving to AI decision or driven decision making to advanced perception, how is Schneider Electric prioritizing which capabilities to industrialize and which to live on the R&D pipeline?
Very good question. We're continuously looking to see where technology is. Today, I would say what we are embedding in our software platforms is Gen AI, which is enabling engineers to be more efficient with their time, taking some of that monotonous code generation by simply saying, hey, I need to be able to create code for a specific function, and having a tool like Copilot bring back code to say, here you go. And then we can make modifications to that code by adding in more detail from time to time. But outside of that, we're keeping our eye on the pulse of technology, and we are making those tough decisions, which ones to add in, which ones to leave in the R&D room.
Got it. Thank you for that. Now it's a huge step, of course, because some of the robots in the industry today, they are still working with the two-letter commands and hard to program and move into automatically generating code. So
exactly.
Thank you for that. So as robotics become more modular and cost accessible, what strategies are helping mid-sized manufacturing adopt automation without needing massive up and front infrastructure?
Yeah, I would say the step that Schneider Electric is taking today is the step into a software defined automation platform. We're removing the software hardware connection and isolating them so that you can focus on where you need the control from a software perspective outside the hardware that is tied to.
Right.
This will be able to give all of us the ability to upgrade in whether it's a variable frequency drive, whether it's a servo drive. As technology changes and we have better performance from the hardware, we'll be able to simply change that because it won't be tied to the software. So it'll allow for a fast recovery. So no more rip and replace. That is our ideology moving forward.
Got it. Thanks for that. So now, China's investment in next-gen robotics is accelerating fast. From your perspective, what's the most important capability U.S. manufacturers need to build to stay competitive?
I'm going to go right back to that software-defined automation platform. I think that's what manufacturers are going to have to build because we need to be more efficient with our time. And the way we are more efficient with our time is again, that division of hardware and software, which will enable us to implement solutions at a faster pace.
Got it. Thank you, Christine, for those insights. And if you have additional questions for Christine, feel free to leverage the hashtag you see on the screen or stop by the booth here at Automate.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate your time.